beneath the unshielded sky. In the year 2070, scientists around the world reached a consensus. The ozone layer that once protected life on Earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays had been irrevocably damaged. The consequences of this environmental catastrophe unfolded quickly and mercilessly. Without the ozone layer's protective shield, UV radiation levels soared to unprecedented heights, penetrating Earth's atmosphere and altering ecosystems. With this increase in UV exposure, multiple cascading effects began to shake the foundation of life as humans knew it. The impact was undeniable and far-reaching, affecting every corner of our planet.
The fate of Earth's biosphere. Plants, the primary producers in all ecosystems, began to suffer. The increased UV radiation disrupted photosynthesis, slowing growth and reducing agricultural yields. Sensitive species of trees, such as those in the northern forests, began to wilt and die. These changes caused a domino effect, leading to the destabilization of entire food webs. As plants withered, herbivores struggled to find food, resulting in their decline, followed by predators.
The balance of nature was teetering on the edge, with every species feeling the strain.
The threat to fauna. Many species of animals, especially those dependent on sensitive aquatic ecosystems like plankton, faced existential threats. UV rays penetrated ocean surfaces, damaging phytoplankton, the foundation of the marine food chain. Coral reefs suffered extensive bleaching, which depleted fish populations that relied on them for habitat, leading to further biodiversity loss. Species worldwide experienced increased rates of skin cancers and cataracts. Amphibians, particularly vulnerable to UV radiation, faced significant population declines. Scientists scrambled to preserve species in captivity, yet the wild continued to suffer.
The urgency to act has never been greater, as the very survival of countless species hangs in the balance.
For humans, the effects were dire as well. The dramatic increase in ultraviolet exposure led to a surge in skin cancer cases. Regions near the equator became inhospitable due to the risk of severe sunburn and related health issues.
Vitamin D production overcompensated, leading to imbalances that doctors struggled to manage. Communities worldwide faced new challenges in agriculture, as crops failed and food security became a critical issue. Economic and social stresses mounted, triggering mass migrations towards the poles where UV radiation was less severe.
Governments initiated international summits to address the crisis, focusing on new technological solutions such as developing UV-resistant crops and living spaces. However, rebuilding human settlements and adapting to such profound climatic changes required global cooperation and unprecedented innovation.
Amidst the chaos, humanity's resilience catalyzed a renewed commitment to environmental stewardship. The international community invested in repairing the damage through advanced geoengineering techniques aimed at restoring the ozone layer. These efforts sparked a decade-long project to halt further UV damage and slowly repair the Earth's natural shield.
Over the following years, as the ozone layer gradually began to heal thanks to these global efforts, ecosystems showed signs of recovery. Young generations witnessed the rebirth of the natural world and committed themselves to safeguarding it for future centuries.
In a world where both triumphs and losses were shared globally, humanity's perspective on the environment matured. The lesson had been hard-learned, but with it came an enduring promise to protect the fragile boundary between life-giving sunlight and the devastating wrath of radiation.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and stay curious.